Awkward talaga kapag nag-screenshot.
Don't screenshot that!
Okay.
Feeling ko ako yung ano, parang kung parang magkakapatid, tapos ako yung nag-aaral.
Wow! Bakit nakasalamin? Ganun ba?
Ay! Okay. I promise that I'll let you go. Baby, I don't care if you got hurt in your heart. All I really care is you wake up in my heart. One last time, I need to be the one who I don't deserve it. I know I don't deserve it, but stay with me a minute. I swear I'll make it worth it. Can't you forgive me? At least it's temporary. I know that this is my fault. I should have been more careful. And no one knows me everything, but boy, I couldn't give it to you. Be honest, feel like a failure, cause I know that I failed you. I should've done you better, cause you don't want it. And I know she gives you everything, but boy, I couldn't give it to you. And I know that you got everything, but I one taught me patience and the one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing with the ton of love. That's not what I see. So look what I got. Look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you. Next. Do you step? You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain. You know me. Can't make me she hasn't over me. All that I need is consider. Okay, next song. Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm not buy you a drink.
Daya. Stacy. Thank you ka sa Blooms. Magkano ka na ba? Paano ba makikita?
Hi, Blooms! I'm back!
Biglang masyadong wide. Go, girls! Ihagis nyo!
Sige, 5, 6. She nothing now. Let your messy bones filter, no filter. There's nothing wrong. Wanna put your messy pose. No filter, bitch. Isa pa. Atras ka pa. Ay! Pademanding kayo. Tangkad mo dyan. Matangkad naman ako. Actually, sobrang tangkad ko nga. Like, mafia ba yan? Pwede naman. Hiniram ko lang to sa friend ko, guys. What should I do with my hair? Hiniram ko lang to eh. And we're gonna get some, and then we're gonna put on our nose like that. Here, just a bit, because we want to be fresh. Am I right? I'm right. And next time we're going to Lipstick stain is a work of art, and then your name tattooed in a narrow heart. But I know now that I'm gonna be late to the dinner. Tinatanong na nila kung nasan ako, pero it's okay kasi this is how I make my makeup laugh ang day lang. Mag-Tagalog tutorial. O sige, mag-send kayo ng stickers pag-isipan ko. And then after that, we're gonna get a powder. And because we're going, you know why we're doing cream blush? Because we want the makeup to last long. We want it to last long. And cream blush helps kasi, I don't know, I think it just helps, you know.
Magandang umaga. Hi. Okay, may nag-comment. Wait lang. Gusto kong basahin yun. Nawala. Naglalag. Di wag yung magsa-screenshot mamaya. Go. Isa pa? Okay. Dating sa'yo. Kilig. Hindi ka sa kilig. Alright. Kami na request ng co-host. Press request. Magic. Magic. May magic po siguro. Ganito. 5, 6, 7, go. Magic. Akala ko na.
Okay, goodbye, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you because I've reached 1 million. Thank you for all of you guys. And I have 154,000 likes. Wow. Thank you. Goodbye, guys. Thank you.
Hindi ka na mahal. Sarili ko'y hahanapin ko lang. At ang panahon at ang oras ng aking pagkawala ay para rin sa ating dalawa. Ang pansamantalang pangingiti ng kalayaan. Minamahal kita, pero kailangan ko lang mag-isa. Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal.
You.
Okay, so thank you to our top gifters. Ackerman, Ate Lyrin, it's me, Georges, Kuya Franco, Ate MJ, Blue Shane, Ate Yana, Ate Justine, Ate TJ, Jizarin, Mika, Olisa. Char. Every day, every night, laptop. Don't be lazy, 지가워 baby. 시간은 너무 자꾸 잊어나니 baby. 좀 더 깊은 곳으로 떠들어가 나를 보면서 해도 아니야지 나는 내일. 아주 와연히 춤을 락타타 뜨겁게 볼때 올 거야 짜짜짜. 뭐 어려워.
guys. Amping. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Said, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you so maybe. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss like you. And me, she said, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can never lie to you in a minute. Share me here in a minute, baby. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can never know. Every song reminds me of what used to be.
Go solo.
That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow.
Okay, game.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it seems that we can't come through the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walked out the door, but it's the only way. The knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control. And something takes over me in a daze, and it's so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. Your love makes me weak. Time after time, I try to fight it. When your love is strong, it keeps on holding on.
Wala na pala.
Parang tayo nasa outer space.
Natatawa talaga ako kayo. Ano pa ba?
Okay, good night, everyone. Rest well. Good night. I appreciate